Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to unbox the skateboard that is in here. It's an Alien Workshop skateboard, which is a brand I remember from when I was younger and I skateboarded, and I saw this one and I wanted to buy it. And it's a complete skateboard, so it comes with grip tape and trucks and wheels and bearings and all of that, all assembled. The box did get a little bit hurt here in shipping, but so I kind of just peeked inside and saw a little bit just to make sure, like, you know, that it was okay, and I think it is. We'll see more shortly when I open this up. But I haven't seen this skateboard other than just kind of peeking in here and looking a little. And we'll check this skateboard out and I'll give like an overview of it. And kind of give my initial review of what I think about it. So, okay guys, it is really important that you make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and make sure that you're wearing the proper safety gear and take all safety precautions when you're using a skateboard. Okay, let's open this up. And Alien Workshop is like a brand from when I was younger in skateboarding that was a really popular brand and like a really cool brand. I remember, you know, that being one of the brands that, you know, was big in that time. So, you know, I first started skateboarding like in the 80s, like when I was like a young kid. But when like I really got into it and started skateboarding a lot was in that like early mid 90s to late 90s. Okay guys, so here we go. I try to make sure this stays on camera here. Oh, this is cool. And I think, I don't know for sure, let me just get this box out of the way. I don't know for sure, but I think this was a design from that time frame, or if it wasn't, I think it's very similar of a design that was around during that time frame when I was skateboarding. So let's see here. So it comes in a sealed plastic bag here. Okay, and with all the packaging, you know, make sure that you recycle what you can and dispose of the rest properly. Okay. I'm just gonna set the packaging off to the side for now. There was also another piece of craft paper inside of the box. And then I'll take care of all of this shortly. Okay, so, oh yeah, check this design out. This is a super cool design. So, yeah, and I kind of like remember a design like this when, you know, during that like early mid to late 90s, like all in the 90s time. I think there was a design just like this or very similar. So take a look at here's the grip tape on top. Everything is already applied. And so the trucks, they say Workshop on them. So, and then the wheels, these are 53 millimeter wheels. And they also, these say Alien Workshop on them. So this is cool. This is a cool skateboard. The graphic too, it's nice. But this is like a super cool graphic. It's got a tag here. So this is 32 inches by 8 inches. So the deck width, you know, from here to here is 8 inches. And then from here to here is 32 inches. And yeah, I'm gonna get you guys a closer look. Okay, so here is a closer look at the graphic and the alien there. And here's one of the wheels. And the bearings in there. So here is one of the trucks and 2 of the wheels. And then here's the other truck with 2 of the wheels. And the tag here. And there is a warning on this tag, so make sure that you read through all of this information before you remove this tag and before you use the skateboard. For now, I'm just going to leave this tag on the skateboard. And the grip tape is applied, in my opinion, pretty cleanly. It looks pretty good. That's what this grip tape looks like. And then here's kind of like a side view of what the skateboard deck looks like from the side. All right, guys, so that is this Alien Workshop skateboard. And this is a complete skateboard, like I said. It came assembled. And my opinion, I think this is a good quality skateboard. You know, I like the trucks are branded Workshop. The wheels are branded Alien Workshop. The bearings are branded Alien Workshop. I really like the design of this skateboard. And to me, it just looks like it's a good skateboard. So I hope you guys have liked this video. And thank you so much for watching. And I do have some other videos about skateboard decks. And I will link 2 of those at the end of this video. And if you guys are interested and have time, please check those videos out. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have the time, check out these other great videos.